Hi everyone, welcome to the second day of Christmas 1940's Updo. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the $50 giveaway. What I'm doing here is I parted my hair on one side and I'm just making a victory roll on the smaller side. So just roll that up and then begin pinning it. Then just hairspray it really well. I accidentally deleted the footage for this, but basically what I did on the bigger side is I just separated the two pieces and rolled them up and hairsprayed them. Then what you're going to do is you're going to tease the front part and then you're going to roll around your two fingers, the ends of your hair, and then finish the victory roll all the way up to your head and pin it and hairspray it. For the back part, we're going to make 3 simple buns. Just begin parting your hair into 3 equal sections and begin rolling and pinning. I'm using 5 Frenchies bobby pins so they don't slip out. They're basically just fuzzy and they're velvet covered, which I call fuzzy, and they do not slip out. Use my code STYLIST20 to get 20% discount on these amazing bobby pins. Just begin pinning the second bun and then we're going to do the very last bun on the other side. Just roll it around and then begin pinning. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful 1940s updo for the second day of Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the $50 giveaway I'm doing at the end of this 12 days of Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas. I love you guys so much. See you tomorrow. Bye.